Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce to you a software that can help you increase comments on an advertising post. This is the interface of the software. In this software you can manage your Facebook account space, and each account can be assigned its own proxy to ensure the safety of the account. In this software it also supports quite a few languages for you, such as Japanese, Korean, Thai and English. So over here in the left corner there are a lot of features. But this time I will only introduce the main feature, which is the comment feature. So before getting to the comments, right, you need to have some content first to prepare the content. Click on content management, then click add a folder for me. For example, here I'll name it test, something like this for instance. Click here, then click add post. Here you select the folder you just created, then click on type and choose the type. For example, here I'll choose comment, and here let's say I'll write hello. Alright, here you can also attach an image or upload a video. Usually I will comment with an image as well. That's it. But for such a short piece of content like this, I won't do it. That's it. Then after you click save, if it shows up like this, it means it's been successful. To comment, you go to the comment function section and click on comment. Here I'll just select the accounts like this. Of course, you can select even more accounts if you want. That's it. And I'll select the content from earlier. For example, the content I just used is this test section, and I'll click on hello for instance. That's it. So in order to comment, since I'm only using one piece of content, I need to select the option for all accounts to comment with the same content, the same message. If you prepare more content, then each account can also comment with different content. For example, like that. That's it. Here you can comment by profile, by groups you've joined, by group ID, or by post ID. Here I'll choose post ID. Here I'll search for some link. Here, for example, I'll copy this part, let's say, or even copy both of these posts. Then I'll put them into another software. So this is an external software. It will help you convert from a link to a UID. For example, I'll put these two links in the convert to the UID section. In just a short time it will scan and get these two UIDs. Then you just copy them, then put them into this software. Alright, copy and save. Here you can adjust it, like how many comments per account, how many posts. There are 2, right? So I'll set this to 2, and each account will comment 30 times. Then there are some options down here, like not duplicating the copied ID and deleting the post after a successful comment, just as an example. So once that's done, I can just start right away. There you go. See, can you guys see this? Here, you'll see the entire process right here. That's it. So for example, if I test it here, right, after it finishes commenting, you'll see the comment history right here. There you go. I just need to copy this link and that's it. There you go. And then go back to that Facebook link. Here it is. See, you guys can see it commenting right here. There you go. Of course, it's still commenting. And this is just a test process. See, it's still and let me check the second link as well. Here's the second link. There you go. You can see it's commenting a lot here. Here, there are enough comments. There you go. It's all complete.